Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you put a hyperlink in your Word file. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Word file, tap on a blank page. To move forward, you have to type on all the data of your project, and then you have a variety of tools in the menu bar, and in the menu you have to tap on insert, and in insert you have the option of hyperlink. Tap on it. In terms to put a hyperlink, you have to tap on youtube.com. After coming on YouTube, you have to search a specific video to get a link of that specific video. Copy the link of a specific video and then paste it in the address of this hyperlink box, and after putting it, tap on OK and your link will be pasted. This is how you can add a hyperlink in your project or your file. By following these steps, you can easily add a hyperlink in your Word file. Thank you so much for watching the video.